Here's how this project went from this to this. First, we had to create an access road to reach the backyard. This allowed us to get our heavy equipment down safely to work in the lower area of the yard and complete demo. Once we had a safe path to use, it was time to put the formwork together for the concrete retaining walls, a job that was said to be impossible by other contractors we talked to. After building the forms for the concrete, we had to clear all of the debris from the work area to make it safe for the concrete to be poured. When doing the retaining walls or any other type of concrete, it's important to vibrate the concrete to make it settle at the lowest point, to prevent any air pockets from forming when it's been cured and the forms are pulled. After the walls were cured, we poured a concrete slab for a basketball court and concrete steps for access to the yard. Here's another look at the final project. There is a dry deck for multi-season use, a fire pit for summer nights, and custom railing throughout for safety. As part of the deck, we replaced an existing window with French doors for access to the deck area. If you want to do a project like this in the Portland, Oregon area, you can find us at builditpdx.com.